Getting kids to behave is a tough job for a parent. Getting them to cooperate and do the things they need to do or you want them to do is even harder. Do you have to nag? Do you have to threaten? Do you have to ground them or restrict them in some way, take away something in order to get them to do something? Does the following scenario or something similar happen in your house?
Abigail, I asked you to do this yesterday and it's not done and I gotta get out the door, I've gotta get to work. Why can't you do these things like we talked about? Are you listening to me?
So there are ways to change behavior, to gain cooperation, even ways to find alternatives to punishment, and a lot more, all without hurting feelings or smashing confidence. And it's found in a book called How to Talk So Kids Will Listen and Listen So Kids Will Talk. Let's listen to what Gina has to say about that.
I remember when I first found these books. It was at a Leche League meeting, and my friend handed me this book, How to Talk So Kids Will Listen and Listen So Kids Will Talk. And I liked how it not only gave reasons for this way of looking at things, but it gave concrete examples and concrete ways to deal with everyday struggles and challenges as a parent. We can prevent a lot of confrontation and conflict and stress for ourselves and our children. And so much more understanding and communication can happen by being that example to them of being a good listener and hearing what they say and talking about things without pointing the finger and without judgment, and really look and honor who our child is. Pay attention to their interests and how they learn, the ways they communicate, how they get their energy. Do they get overwhelmed easily? Do they need directions to be written versus spoken to? We all learn differently and have different ways of communicating with people, different personality styles. And we need to learn these things about each other in order to communicate better with each other.
And now you have the opportunity to learn and to experience hands-on the powerful concepts of this book. And you'll learn how to understand feelings, how to engage in cooperation. You'll even learn alternatives to punishment and how to give positive praise. You'll learn how your kids can gain autonomy with our online and in-person workshops. Find out more next.